Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching how to fix tech. In this video, I am going to show you 3 steps to boot into the advanced screen, which is called advanced startup. You can repair your system. So first step, you need to go here, start menu, then click on the setting option, which is here. Now click on update and security option. After that, click on recovery option here on the left side. Now you can see the option advanced startup. You can click on restart button here. Now you will boot into the advanced screen. Now this is the first step. You can boot into the advanced startup, which is called automatic repair options. Now close this. I'm going to show you second method. Go to CMD, open it, then type here the command shutdown like this, then give space, then give the forward slash like this, then press here R, then give space, then again the forward slash, and then the O option. Now hit enter. You will directly boot into the advanced repair options after pressing this after 30 to 50 seconds. Now second command to boot into the advanced screen, type here shutdown like this, give space forward slash, then R, give space forward slash O, give space, then slash, then type here F, give space forward slash T, give space, and 00. Now hit enter. You are directly boot into the advanced screen. So these are the 3 methods you can boot into the advanced screen. Now if you are not able to access your Windows and not able to access your system, you can shut down your system 2 to 3 times forcefully. As soon as the manufacturer logo appears, window loads, shut down it forcefully for 5 to 10 seconds. So how you can resolve this issue and you can repair your system with the advanced screen. So hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.